Welcome back to the shop. Today, I'm going to talk about chisel storage. As you can see here, I've got my chisel sitting on this toolbox. That kind of setup works okay, but I'd really rather have it mounted to the wall. So I thought about mounting this entire box to the wall, and I may do that, but I'm just a little more lazy than that. So let me show you a solution that I think might work for you as well. So to solve this problem, I've just got this tray here. You can pick these up just about anywhere. And I'm going to use a couple of drywall screws to mount it. I'm just going to take a drywall screw here, set the tray up here in place. Let's see how it's going to turn out. Well, what do you think? You think that would help you solve your problems? At least a possible solution anyway. So, pretty simple solution right there for hanging my chisels on the wall. Well, that's it for this super simple solution. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Hey, be sure to subscribe, will you? I sure would appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on anything I'm doing. Hey, thanks for joining me in the shop today. I'll see you next time. Hey, don't click away just yet. If you like that video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to ring the bell. That way you get all the notifications on the latest content. Thanks for watching.